milk chocolate layer cake from our new barbecue cookbook is both elegant and decadent. It won't fail to impress your family and friends and is suitable for all those festive occasions and celebrations all year round. It is gluten-free, it's make ahead, and a little goes a long way. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. I've lined our rose gold springform cake tin with baking paper and preheated the oven to 180 degrees. I've also pre-weighed our caster sugar into a bowl, and now we're going to whip our egg whites. We're going to insert our butterfly whisk and add our egg whites. Okay, so here we have our lovely baked sponge layer that's going to form the base for the rest of our cake. And now we're going to continue with the darkened milk chocolate layers. So here we have our 400 grams of whipped cream that we divided into 2 bowls. We watched our cream really carefully through the hole in the mixing bowl lid to make sure we didn't over whip it. This recipe requires only lightly whipped cream. It's just barely holding its shape. When we add the chocolate to it, it will thicken up even more, so we don't want to over whip it. So here we have our beautiful milk chocolate layer, which we've just taken out of the fridge. It's been in there for over an hour, and you can see it's really set nice and firm for us to pour our next dark chocolate layer on. So here is our set dark chocolate layer that is on top of our milk one, and you can see it's nicely firm, and we can now add our final white chocolate layer onto it. And here we have our complete triple chocolate layer cake. And how easy was it to put together? It's been in the refrigerator overnight, and now we simply need to dust it with that final layer of cocoa powder. Gorgeous. Now it's ready to serve. So we're going to use a sharp bladed knife. So we recommend you wipe your knife after each cut, just so you don't blur those beautiful layers that you've worked so hard to make.